Tuple is immutable. So type it will display as a type error. Next, tuple functions. See in the same list functions, right? Length. We have to find a length, max, min, then sum. This is how, right? In the same way, we are finding here type tuple functions, that is len, max, min, and sum. Okay, if you learn list, almost tuple is very easy. Okay, just a small changes. Numbers is equals to 10, comma 20, comma 30. See here, print of len of numbers. Print of len of numbers. That means we are going to find the length of this tuple. Okay, length of this tuple. Let us find the length of the tuple. See now, let me go along with you people. I'll start writing. Numbers is equals to, yes, yes. Now numbers is equals to, we are writing a tuple, right? 20, 30, or 30, 40, and 50. I'll give it like, and then we are just accessing like what we want to find the length, right? Length of numbers. We'll see what will be the output. See, length of tuple is 5. It's giving length of tuple is 5. Okay, this is how the tuple length will work. And when we move to the max, okay, maximum we have to find, right? See, the next is maximum only. We have already found length, length of this tuple, and next we are going to find a max number out of this. So here, see what is the maximum here? 50, right? Let us see, will it print 50 or not? Coding is very easy nowadays. See, 50 it is printing. And next we want to find a min min value. What is the minimum value here? 10, right? We'll see. Yes, it's printing 10. And what is the sum here? What is the sum? If I give sum, what will be the answer? See, print of sum of numbers. That means 10 plus 20, 30. 30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus 40, 100. 100 and plus 50, 150. Yes, if we print that, will we get the answer as 150? Yes, we are getting the answer as 150. This is how tuple functions works. Okay. Now we have covered tuple functions. Easy, right? Yes. Next, what is tuple methods here? See, count counts how many times a value appears. Numbers is equals to 1, comma 2, comma 2, comma 3, comma 2. 1 minute. We just upload. Okay. See, this is how you can use, you can pop out this chat and all. You can do that. You can pop out the chat.